Hello everyone, today we are doing lesson 5 from course 3 and this is our first lesson. In this lesson we will be using artist, and with the help of artist we'll be learning what are functions. Okay, so here we have to finish the specs. So we have to draw two squares and this middle bridge. So it says the bridge between the glasses is 25 pixels shorter than the width of the squares, which is 100 pixels. So the width of the square is 100 and the bridge is 100 minus 25, which is 75. So first we'll draw a square. First we'll draw the first square, then it'll move forward, then it'll draw the second square. So we will move forward by 100 pixels. Turn right by 90 degrees, and we'll repeat this for 4 times. Then we'll move forward again. Once it comes back to its original place, we'll again move forward for 175 pixels this time. 175. And again move forward by 100 pixels and turn right by 90 degrees. We'll put this inside a repeat block. There, it works. In the next puzzle, we have a video about functions. You can always look out for this video. So from next puzzle onwards, we can use the function block where we can write the code and we can just replace it with one block. So it saves the number of lines. So here we draw a square. So inside the function of draw a square, we have the repeat block for 4 times, in which it moves forward by 100 pixels and turns right by 90 degrees. It's the same as the earlier puzzle, only we have a function block here. So we will move forward by 175 pixels and draw a square again. Okay, now the square of the specs are a bit bigger, and the squares are 45 pixels apart, and the side length of each square is 115 pixels. So we are going to change it, 115 pixels. And when we draw a square, we'll have to now move 115 plus 45 pixels, which is 160. We have to move 160 pixels forward. And then we'll draw a square again. In this one, we have squares again, but they are bent in a certain angle. So we just have to find the angle and run the program. So we'll use the function draw a square, then we'll turn right by not by 90 degrees, but it is going to be greater than 90 degrees since it's going to move this side. So it'll be 120 degrees turn right by 120 degrees, and we'll repeat this 3 times because there are 3 squares. Now we have hexagons instead of squares, and we have to edit the function because it has the same code as the last one. So hexagon has 6 sides, so it is going to be repeat 6 times, then move forward by 50 pixels, and turn right by 60 degrees. This should mostly be it. Yep. Now we have a pattern here, and if we can see closely, there are hexagons again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are around 6 hexagons. So we have to just draw hexagons here and turn at a certain angle. We have to turn about by 60 degrees, most probably. And we have to turn right. Turn right. So we are going to turn right by 60 degrees. We're going to draw a hexagon and we are going to repeat it for 6 times. We don't need a forward block here because the hexagons are side by side and they are not far apart. Now we have to draw a flower here. We have the function for the flower already given, so we don't have to write the code. And all we just have to do is make the artist jump forward using the jump forward block, not the move forward block, because we don't want the artist to draw any lines between the flowers. So we give a draw flower and then jump forward. They're all 100 pixels apart, and repeat that for 3 times. This puzzle is free play. Even then, they have given us a function of draw a snowflake. So we can always draw even we can always draw other things with the snowflake. For now, I'll just draw maybe a lot of snowflakes at the same place. And I'm going to jump forward by 5 pixels and repeat that for 100 times. Okay, I'm going to increase the speed. This puzzle is free play, so it means that you can do anything in this puzzle. It does not have a goal. Once you're done playing with all the blocks and making your own design, you can always press the finish block and always publish it or send it to your phone publish in other social medias. Um, Now there's another one which says free play. They've given two functions here, big gear and small gear. So you can, even in this one, we don't have a goal and you can just play with it for however long you want. And once you're done, you can press the finish button and always publish it or send it to your phone, share it with your friends and whomever you want to share with. Now we have a multiple choice question. It says pick the correct blocks to draw this image using the given functions. Okay, so we have been given the function block here. We just have to find out in which order the function block has to be used. It says draw a rectangle. Okay, drawn. So we have to see the function block first. Move forward by 200 pixels, turn right by 90 degrees, 50 pixels, turn right. Okay, it'll come back here. It's facing this side. Now it says draw a rectangle, drawn, turn right by 90 degrees. It's going to turn this side, it's facing this side. Jump forward by 100 pixels, maybe 50, 50, yeah, here it will come. And then turn left. It's going to turn this side. And then it'll draw a rectangle. So this is the right one. But still we are going to check other options. Turn right by 90 degrees. Okay, we first already turn right. Turn right. It's facing this side. We jump forward by 100 pixels, draw a rectangle. Okay, here only one rectangle will be drawn and not two. Next one says to draw a rectangle blocks. So there's still just going to be one block because the artist is going to overlap both the rectangles. So the first one is the option. Okay, this was the end of the course. Next is lesson 6, and it is again about functions, but with a different character, that is the bee instead of the artist. So stay tuned for the next lesson. Thank you.